Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma hakasitrek urumpang uloong bak Sorkar kan kem ya barok ki badan keti haka Jingpynbthei bom bad ikinu-kinu ki bapersang ban penting ya ki pat nong song Kejala. Habai keren bikinong pathai kubor Conrad Kongkal Sangma ula pentikna ya barok ba an kem ya kitu ki badan keti bad ikinu-kinu ki bakwa ban pencap tiang ne pensiir ki pat ba bakine ken sya penstam kat kum ki kendon an. Halor kejengkam ke HNLC bakal hak penbethai yo bom hakan dailat kum kadak ban penmai kinong khayi ki balek bom sutnyo ye kejeng dawa pisah keseng. Nagaliang Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong baginong khayi bagi patba baginon kejeng syania ba ulap pentikna bagi beriu ke betmu ban penchong seir ba an penstom yaki dak beteng e kat kum kaan. Ulapan pau ye kejeng sokya halor kejeng syakem uwe khna ubrang hapok khat prasnam karta ubaladan benta ba kejeng penbethai bom bad uloong bagi dan ki kena senrang berkentai ki bayat hakan kelenti dari ke Sorkar kanele ban kulit jingmut bakum kini kejingja kin om jaija syuk-syuk bad kan persang ban kering ki samla ban yat kelenti ke badai bad ke Sorkar MDA ke kulit jingmut bad ban penslur ki samla bikin seng ki kam lajong bad ya kimat rekam na kebenta ki samla Kejala on sebut ke Sorkar. Ha kabedai bat kejeng keno ba ketenat sentiat jengki pulit kam syam lalarkam nakaliang Menteri Rangba uloong bagi pulit kilat rekam bah bat kilayo kejeng tip ki bapaka bat dena kene kadau ba kim syam la syempor hadu khatar kenta ban kem ki brio ke badan keti ha kene ka kambean. Menteri Rangba Kejala uloong ru ba ke Sorkar kalong ke bakloi ban yakran nesuk bat ka kenhun king atiar belasak ken bian ka New Trap National Liberation Council HNLC tambah kem dai pat ban bo ikinu-kinu kendon. Uloong bakladan kejeng pak ketian hapadang ke Sorkar bat ke HNLC hagini gilai snam ki balalej bat haka bakladan kejeng bu kendon kumta kila persang banekran lengba ke Sorkar India bat lengba ki wei pat kilat ba an omla ban priang ya kanu kejeng bu kendon da ke Sorkar India. Uloong ba la pentip ke HNLC bagi dia menwan ya keran esok klem kejeng bu kendon.
Yes, in fact, when this particular incident had happened, the police had acted very swiftly, and within a matter of hours, they were able to identify the individuals who were involved, and the concerned individuals, in fact, inquiry and proper investigation is going on, and I can assure everyone that we will leave no stone unturned to ensure that we get to all the people who are involved in this. And will ensure that people who have been involved in trying to create fear are punished. So therefore, proper action will be taken. And regarding the larger question of our youth being involved, yes, there's been instances where our young boys and girls sometimes do go into this line, and we from the government side have always believed that in order to ensure that this does not take place, it's important for us to engage the youth in a proper manner. We need to give the opportunities to the youth so that they don't go in the wrong direction. And that is the reason why this government has been focusing largely on entrepreneurship, creating of jobs through entrepreneurship. We have focused on the youth policy, and we realize that a large youth and large workforce is there in Meghalaya, and we need to continuously ensure that programs come in. So therefore, yes, it's an issue that I have always mentioned this. In fact, on my speech in 26th January also, as well as on 21st of January, I mentioned that ensuring that proper opportunities are given to the youth is going to be one of the challenges in the coming decades for us. And therefore, we are aware about it, and we'll do our best to ensure we address those issues.